So we got this 2013 Chrysler 200 2.4, and we're replacing the alternator that goes right. Alright guys, so this is the alternator. We put it on, and I just wanted to quickly show you what is it that you need to do. First thing you need to do is remove the serpentine belt. The tensioner bolt is a 16. Okay, then remove the serpentine belt, and then after that you're gonna have to remove one of the idle pulleys. That's also a 16. The alternator has a long bolt on the bottom side. Okay, that one's also a 16 millimeter head, and at the top you're gonna have a 13 millimeter head. Okay, and then at the back of the long bolt you're gonna have this nut. Just reach in there, make sure you grab it so it won't fall and possibly miss it or whatever, you know. And then the actual alternator has one connector and a 13 millimeter nut, nut. And the starter has a one connector and a 13 millimeter nut holding the power to it. So remove all those things, and you can either take the alternator out through the bottom section, but you're gonna have to remove the AC compressor. That one has 4 13 millimeter bolts, and then you're gonna move it out of the way, and the alternator can go through the bottom side, or you could take it out to the top side, but you're gonna have to remove one of the AC lines, okay, with a 13 millimeter nut holding onto it. So the reason why I was able to take it out from the top was because I removed this line, and doing so you can take it out through here with these. And the AC didn't work on this car, so it didn't really matter, so that's why I took it out that way. Another we'll go from there. So thank you guys, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See you.